Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a delicious Pinoy-style tuna sandwich. First, gather your ingredients: 1 can of tuna, about 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, and your favorite bread. You will also need finely chopped red onion and celery for that essential crunch. Don't forget salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. This simple combination creates a truly satisfying and flavorful meal. Now, let's prepare the tuna mixture. Start by draining 1 can of tuna very well. This prevents a watery sandwich. In a bowl, combine the drained tuna with about 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Add your finely chopped red onion and celery, mixing everything gently. Season with a pinch of salt and a dash of black pepper, adjusting to your taste for a perfectly balanced flavor. With your tuna filling ready, it's time to assemble your sandwich. Take 2 slices of your preferred bread. Generously spread the tuna mixture onto 1 slice, ensuring an even layer from edge to edge. Place the second slice of bread on top, gently pressing down. For an extra touch, you can lightly toast the bread beforehand, which adds a delightful crispness to every bite. Your delicious Pinoy-style tuna sandwich is now complete. You can cut it diagonally or in half for a classic presentation and easier handling. This sandwich is perfect on its own, or you can pair it with a side of potato chips or a crisp green salad for a more complete meal. It's a quick, satisfying, and flavorful option for any time of day. For leak-proof containers and other great deals, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.